has reimposed Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA under 6 police stations in 5 districts of Manipur following the death of 11 Kuki militants during gun battle between CRPF and Kuki militants in Jiribam. Additional Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs has issued the order today in light of recent flare of violence. According to the order, 6 police stations in Imphal West, Imphal East, Jiribam, Gangpokpi and Bishnupur districts have been declared as disturbed area. The police stations which AFSPA has been reimposed are Sekmai and Lamshang in Imphal West District, Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East District, Jiribam Police Station in Jiribam District, Laimakong Police Station in Gangpokpi District and Moirang Police Station in Bishnupur District. These areas will be excluded from AFSPA repeal notification issued on October 1st for 6 months. It may be mentioned that AFSPA was removed from 19 police stations earlier.